શ્રી આંત્રોલી પે સેન્ટર શાળા, તાલુકો માંગરોળ, જિલ્લો જૂનાગઢ.
English Standard 6, Unit 1, Test of India, Activity 2.
Sanjiben, I am making a curry, but I don't have curd. Will you please give me some curd? Yes, sure. Sanjiben, you are. Sanjiben, I am making a curry, but I don't have gram flour. Will you please give me some gram flour? Of course, yes, Sanjiben. Why not? Thank you, Sanjiben. Welcome, yes, Sanjiben. Are you there? Please come, Sanjiben. You was not at home. How can I help you? Manavai, I am making a curry today, but I don't have curry leaves. Will you please give me some curry leaves? Yes, you You already have got gram flour, which you was making curry today. Don't make it yourself. We will send you some curry when it is ready. Okay, Manav.